This lesson covers finding determinants of matrices. We start with the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix with AB in the first row, CD in the second row is equal to AD minus BC. As an example, we will find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix with 2, -1 in the first row and 5, 3 in the second row. The determinant here will be equal to 2 times 3 minus -1 times 5, which simplifies to 11. Note that there are two different notations for matrices. One is DET with the matrix in parentheses. The other is just replacing the square matrix brackets with vertical lines. Let's find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Here we have the matrix A, which is equal to 3, 1, -2 in the first row, 2, -5, 4 in the second row, 3, 2, 1 in the third row. We will need to choose any row or column to expand along, and I will select row 1 here. Another thing that we'll need is a sign matrix with a plus sign in the first row, first column position, a minus sign in the row 1, column 2 position, and alternating signs throughout. So the determinant of A here will be equal to, I start with the 3, the first number in my first row, well, the first number in row 1 here, and I will look at the corresponding sign position, which would be plus, and I will, after the plus sign for the determinant of my matrix, put the number 3, followed by the determinant of the matrix I get by eliminating the row and the column containing 3. So if I eliminate the row and column containing the number 3, I'm left with the determinant of the matrix row 1, -5, 4, and row 2, 2, 1. Next, we move along to the second number in row 1, which is the number 1. This corresponds to a minus sign in our chart. So I put the sign of a minus sign followed by the number 1, followed by the determinant of the matrix I will get by eliminating the row and the column containing 1. That will be a matrix with the first column being 2, 3, the second column being 4, 1. We move along to the -2, the third number in our row. -2 is in a plus position, so I put a plus sign, followed by -2, followed by the determinant of the matrix I would get by eliminating the row and the column containing -2. I would be left with the matrix 2, -5 in the first row, 3, 2 in the second row if I eliminate the row and column containing -2. So the next step is to find the determinants of these three matrices, these three 2 by 2 matrices. I'll start with the first matrix, -5, 4 in the first row, 2, 1 in the second row. So I'll have 3 times -5 minus 8, and then I'll have minus the determinant of this second matrix, which is 2, 4 in the first row, 3, 1 in the second row. So I'll have 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 4 times 3, which is 12. Moving along, we're going to have minus 2 times the determinant of this third matrix with 2, -5 in the first row, 3, 2 in the second row. 2 times 2 is 4, minus -5 times 3 is -15. We'll simplify and find that the determinant of A is equal to -67. A couple of notes on determinants, actually a few notes. We only find determinants of square matrices. Expansion can be along any row or column. And the notation for the determinant of matrix A is DET with the matrix A in parentheses, or the matrix A with the square brackets replaced with vertical bars. Try on your own. Find the determinant of the matrix, the 3 by 3 matrix with row 1, 1, 0, -3, row 2, 2, 1, -1, and row 3, 4, 2, 2.